Ready to solve this ACT math problem? Let me know the answer in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so what we have here is a graph is a standard xy coordinate plane below is a graph of one of the following functions. Which one? So one of these functions. So let's see what we can find out more from the graph here. So we have three x-intercepts. At one is at -4, the other one is at 0, and the third one is at 6. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to notice here, step one, is to look at the x-intercepts or the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so the zeros of this polynomial or the x-intercept is essentially given by x equals -4 or 0 or 6. Okay, of these now we're gonna distill these a little further. Step two, we're gonna find the multiplicities. Okay, so multiplicities. So what that means is essentially if you look at x equals -4 and x equals 6, you will see that the multiplicity is odd. Why is it odd? Because you see the graph is going through the x-axis both at -4 and at 6. Of course, at -4 it's behaving like a linear function. At 6 it's behaving like a cubic function. It's going like this, and then again it's going rising up. Okay, now only at x equals 0 do we have an even multiplicity. Why is it even? Because you see the graph is coming touching the x-axis and then rebounding back. All right, so it is doing that behavior, is touching the x-axis and rebounding back. So that's an even multiplicity. We need odd multiplicities at -4 and 6 and even multiplicity at x equals 0. So let's see which ones are this. So choice A you can eliminate immediately, all even, oh I'm sorry, all odd multiplicities, because out here x would be 1. So these are all odd multiplicities, it doesn't work. In choice B, we have a -6, x equals -6, x equals +4. That's opposite, so that's wrong. In choice C, we have x equals -6 again as a odd multiplicity. That's wrong. Also, in choice 4, yes, at 0, which is x squared, we have a even multiplicity. At x equals 6, we have odd. At x equals -4, we have odd. So that is correct. And then choice E, x cubed. So that's that's an odd multiplicity at x equals 0. So that is also a wrong choice. All right. So our right answer is choice D because it has the right multiplicities. Also, the behavior is correct. It's going through like a linear function at -4, at quadratic function touching the x-axis, rebounding back at 0, and then finally at 6, it is going like a cubic function. Its behavior has an odd multiplicity. All right. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you next video. Have a nice day. Bye.